If your air conditioner stops working, there are a few things you can do yourself before calling for service. These things do not require special tools and will be done by the service technician first anyway. These are checking the power supply. If the air conditioner does not respond to any commands when you try to turn it on from the remote controller, check the power supply. Don't laugh, it is one of the most common problems encountered. If it is powered by a separate circuit, check the fuse. If it is powered by a socket, check that it is plugged in. Many times other people who need that socket to power another household appliance, for example a vacuum cleaner, forget to put the plug they removed back in the socket. Check that the operating mode is the correct one. The chosen working mode determines the proper functioning of the air conditioner, so if I want to cool the room, I have to be in cooling mode, and the chosen temperature must be lower than the one in the room. In case someone has played with the remote controller or I have accidentally pressed the mode button, it switches to a mode other than cooling without us realizing it. Usually after the cooling mode comes ventilation, the air conditioner starts, but does not cool. The icons on the remote controller are usually small and difficult to see, so check that it is in the correct operating mode. Bonus information. If I want to heat the room, in heating mode, the turbine doesn't even start until the pipe temperature exceeds a certain value so as not to create an unpleasant draft. And the whole procedure, starting the compressor, detecting the pipe temperature, can take several minutes, thus giving us the impression that maybe there is something wrong with the unit. Another bonus information. If your unit is part of a multi-split air conditioning system, check that all units are in the same operating mode, because if they are not all in the same mode, all in cooling mode, or all in heating mode, the unit will not start. Reset the equipment. It is the last check before using specific tools, but it works many times. There are chances that due to voltage fluctuations or static energy accumulation, that the automation no longer works correctly. After this reset, the device often starts normally. What you need to do is turn off the power supply completely, that is, unplug it or turn off the fuse. Not off from the remote control, unplugging. Wait 10 minutes and reconnect power. Try to see if it's working. These are the things you can do and that do not require special tools or specialized knowledge. Now you know what to do if you find yourself in this situation. Thanks for watching, and if you think you learned something useful, press the like button and maybe subscribe to our channel. We publish videos about air conditioners.